If you're always on the go and you want a way to keep the Apple Trifecta of the iPhone and the Apple Watch and AirPods charged, then you really need to look into the new Anker Go UFO charger. They call it the UFO because it kind of looks like a spaceship whenever it's folded up. This thing is awesome because it unfolds with magnets, and then you have a 15-watt Qi 2 charger for your phone. There's a wireless charger for AirPods, and there's also an Apple Watch charger all built into it. And in the box, you do also get both the 40-watt charger and a 5-foot cable. So this is able to make one super sleek and compact charging setup whenever you're on the go to keep all your devices charged. Anker did send me this UFO charger for free for purposes of making this video, but they've given me no input into this content. All the thoughts in this video are going to be based on my experience using this charger in the real world. So whenever I got this out, I was very impressed with just how small this is, especially when I compared it to my other Anker 3-in-1 folding stand. This one came out a few months ago. It's still really compact and gives you everything you need to keep your devices charged, but the UFO is lighter and it's also smaller than the 3-in-1 folding stand. One thing I don't really like with this charger is I typically prefer if the Apple Watch is a little bit more raised up so I can see it at night in the nightstand mode. With this one, you can kind of adjust the angle of the watch charger. It's okay, but it definitely doesn't hold it up quite as high as I would like. Another thing that's kind of interesting about this charger, you can actually magnet it in reverse like this, and they advertise using it as a stand, so you can set your phone on the side like that and charge it, and it holds it up for you. This isn't the best angle for viewing because it's so low, but it is kind of a nice little feature that they've added onto it that you can actually use it on its side as well if you'd like. So one of the great things about this is in the box you do get the charger. This is a 40-watt charger with folding prongs, so this is also going to double as an excellent charger for either a MacBook Air, or it'll also work great for any of the iPads as well. If you don't want to use the wireless charger, just unplug the USB-C port and plug your other devices in. And then there's a 5-foot cord on it as well, so you can also use that cord and plug it into your phone if you need to charge even faster than the 15-watt speeds. So after testing this for a while, I've had no issues with it. The only issue I had was when the AirPods were on it a little bit off, the light flashed at me at the front to tell me that there was a charging error, and then I just recentered it and it started charging just fine. So this has been working really great. This also supports the ultra fast charging on the Apple Watch 7, 8, 9, 10, and the Ultra series. So very fast Apple Watch charger on it as well. So the biggest con to this charger is it costs $90, which is right in line with some of the other folding charging stations that Anker has been offering, like this 3-in-1 folding stand. This one is definitely more of a charging station in my opinion. It's not really as good of a stand. Even if you transform it and put it on its side like this, I just don't prefer this look for charging, and then you're not able to use the watch charger on it too. So it's either going to be all flat with all your devices just side by side, or else you can only charge the phone on it. So this stand is going to be a little bit better if you want to actually be able to adjust the angle a little bit, have it raised up off your nightstand a little bit better, but it's really hard to beat the new UFO one for travel purposes because of just how lightweight and compact this is, especially when you compare this to the 3-in-1 stand. So overall, I highly recommend the new UFO 3-in-1 charger if you're looking for a compact charger that you can easily stow away in your backpack or your suitcase with minimal size and weight added from all the different components. If you're interested in buying one of these, I do have links to buy in the description below. If you have any other questions about the UFO charger or any of the other Anker chargers I recommend, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.